Hi all. So in this tutorial we will look at how to create the SSH key pair on the local machine and add it to our GitHub profile. Open your terminal in your local machine and type ssh-keygen space -t space RSA. Click enter. So it's saying the file will be stored in this particular location. Press enter. You can enter the passphrase for your SSH key pair. Once you enter the passphrase, enter the passphrase again. Now the keys has been generated in this particular location. Now you can do cd home/ssh. You can see there are two files has been created in this particular folder. One is your public key and another one is the private key. Now this public key we have to add it to our GitHub profile. Let's go to our GitHub, go to settings page. On the left side you can see SSH and GPG keys. Click on it. Now here if you have already added the keys, it will be listed here. If you have not added any SSH keys, you can click on new SSH key. You can provide a name, custom name for your SSH keys. I'll just say MacBook Pro and I'll just say cat public. Now copy the entire key and paste it here, then say add SSH keys. Now with this thing you will be able to do push and pull operation for your GitHub repository from your local machine.